Alright guys, for this video, luto tayo ng beef broccoli. So, yung beef, marinate natin siya ng soy. Alright. And then, cornstarch. Ayon sa kaya, hindi ko nakita kung slurry or ano. Basta lagyan natin ng cornstarch. No? 1 teaspoon lang yan yung nagsasabi. Just mix lang natin yan. Marinate natin yan mga 15 minutes. Alright, balikan natin mamaya. Let's go. Okay, sa sauce niya, lagyan natin siya ng chicken cubes. Half lang nilagyan natin. Lagay ko pala. Mix. Next, lagyan natin siya ng soy. Tansya-tansya na lang guys, no? Walang specific ano. Nasa sa inyo na kung gaano karami. So, pangkakulay lang natin. Tapos, oyster sauce. Pampalasa lang. Next, let's put sugar. Okay? Kasi ng sugar. 2 tablespoons siguro. For me. Depende ah. It depends on you na lang. Ano karami lagay. And then next, cornstarch. So cornstarch, try muna natin ng 1 tablespoon or 1 and a half. And then I don't have sesame oil, so I'm gonna put normal olive oil. Okay? Alright. So that's it. Mix lang natin siya. Ito yung magiging sauce ng ating beef broccoli. Alright. So dissolve lang na natin yung cornstarch. And then lalapot to konti siguro. Ayan. Let's see. Let's go. Na thickness, okay na sa akin yung ganitong thickness. Set aside natin yan. Set aside. And then sa other pan, magkano tayo blanch natin yung ating broccoli. Originally wala tong bell pepper pero I love the taste of bell pepper, so I'm gonna add bell pepper. Okay, so see you later. So mainit na natin water, blanch na natin ito or boil ating broccoli. Okay. Let's just cook it until half cooked. Blanch lang natin for ilang minutes until mag green lang siya, dark green kulay, and then we'll come back later. Okay, so later magano na tayo, stir fry na natin yung ating beef and then mix all the ingredients. So I'm gonna show you later. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, set aside na natin ito. Pan fry na tayo or stir fry. So in the pan, let's put oil. Ayan. Painit natin yung oil. Stir fry na natin itong ating beef. Na marinated sa cornstarch and soy. Right, painitin na natin yan or stir fry lang natin, balikan natin naman. Yan, lagyan na rin natin yung ating ginger and ating garlic. Isa lang natin yun. Ngayon natin ilagay yung ating bell pepper. So yun, gisa-gisa natin. Stir fry. Alright. Stir fry lang natin yung guys. Hanggang matusta yung bawang. Bango. Ano? Ganahin natin itong bell pepper. Sabay-sabay na. Usually wala itong bell pepper. No? Gusto ko lang. I just like the taste of bell pepper. I like bell pepper. Also we'll put the sauce already. So tansya-tansya na lang. How many siguro? Lagyan natin ito half of that sauce. Alright. Bring it to a boil. And after that, if it boils, I'm gonna put the broccoli. So let's put it later. Okay. Alright, it's boiling already. One final touch. Sarap-sarap. Sarap-sarap. Baka naman. And then, the broccoli. Alright. And then, I'm just gonna mix this one. And we already have the beef broccoli. Alright. Very easy guys, and the taste also, it's very Chinese. Ito yung other version. The other version is you pan fry everything. We're gonna deep fry the beef, but this version is very good also from AI, from Google AI. So see, as you can see, it's very good. Beef broccoli, right? So it's already cooked. Close the fire. Alright guys, my camera is already low bat, so let's taste it. Because my beef is thinly sliced, so it's pre-cut already when I bought it in the grocery. It's very thinly sliced and it will, ang bilis niya maluto. It was cooked fast. Okay, let's taste it along with the a little bit of broccoli. So okay, that one. It's hot guys. Taste natin. First the beef. Perfect bite. Shoutouts Ninong Rai. Yung sauce nagdala guys. A taste of good taste pare. Yung mga kinakain mo sa good taste. Partneran mo lang to ng pansit or ano ba yan? Lechong kawali o crispy pata or ano pa ba yan, yung butter chicken. Ako panalo guys. Winner, try nyo rin to guys. Kaya ako sinashow sa inyo para try nyo rin magluto guys. Madali lang magluto. Chinese style. Sarap. Sakto yung luto ng blanch na broccoli. Crispy pa siya. Tapos nanunot yung sauce. Now bear with me, ako lang naman kakain nito kaya akin lang lahat yan guys. Ulam ko ng mga following days kasi may pasok tayo. Iba rin na ibigay nitong bell pepper na lasa. Alright, very good guys. My own version of beef broccoli. Okay, see you in the next vlog guys. Thanks for watching. Hello.